Welcome to GDS Garage Door Service Company of Fort Worth, your local garage door service and repair specialists. GDS proudly provides you the highest quality name brand products at the best value. Our expert technicians are friendly, on time, and professional. We repair and service all makes and models of garage doors, broken springs, and openers. We also sell a complete line of high quality new garage doors and openers. Call us today and we will show you why GDS stands for the highest quality products and personal service.